Hola, welcome back to SpanishForYourJob.com. Today, we will learn shortcuts to talk about the future in Spanish. Vamos a iniciar. Let's get started. After learning shortcuts to talk about the present, the next step is learning simple shortcuts to talk about the future. In case you're wondering, why focus on the future before learning how to talk about the past? I'll explain it with a quick example. For a moment, let's imagine you're visiting a Spanish-speaking country. If you had to choose, what do you think is more important between these two scenarios? 1. Being able to talk about the flight you arrived on a couple of days ago? Or 2. Being able to express yourself to make sure you catch your flight back home that will leave in a few hours? The second one, right? Making sure you get on your flight to go back home, because usually there's something you can do about things that haven't happened yet. Although you will eventually learn to talk about the past, that's why it is important to focus on being able to talk about the future first. Now, let's review the top 3 shortcuts to talk about the future. The first one is shortcut number 1. Yo voy a, which means I'm going to, plus a verb, plus additional information. Here are a couple of examples. Yo voy a estudiar mañana. I'm going to study tomorrow. Yo voy a estudiar mañana. Yo voy a estar en la oficina el lunes. I'm going to be at the office on Monday. Yo voy a estar en la oficina el lunes. If you want to express the opposite idea and say that you are not going to do something, you just need to add the word no before the verb voy, like this. Yo no voy a estudiar mañana. I'm not going to study tomorrow. Yo no voy a estudiar mañana. Yo no voy a estar en la oficina el lunes. I'm not going to be at the office on Monday. Yo no voy a estar en la oficina el lunes. Now, let's look at the next shortcut to talk about the future. Shortcut number 2. Yo quiero, which means I want, plus additional information, which can be nouns or verbs, plus a time in the future. Here are a few examples. First, with a noun. So it will be yo quiero, I want, plus a noun, plus a time in the future. Here's the example. Yo quiero pizza mañana. I want pizza tomorrow. Yo quiero pizza mañana. Next, we have one with a verb like this. Yo quiero, plus, which is I want, plus a verb, plus a time in the future. Here's the example. Yo quiero dormir en la noche. I want to sleep at night. Yo quiero dormir en la noche. And now we have an example with a verb and a noun, like this. Yo quiero, which is I want, plus a verb, plus a noun, plus a time in the future. Here's the example. Yo quiero beber café, the verb and the noun. Yo quiero beber café en la tarde. I want to drink coffee in the afternoon. Yo quiero beber café en la tarde. Now, let's look at the next shortcut to talk about the future. Shortcut number 3. Yo necesito, I need, plus additional information, which can be nouns or verbs, plus a time in the future. Here are a few examples. First, we have yo necesito, I need, plus a noun, plus a time in the future. Here's one. Yo necesito ayuda en 3 horas. I need help in 3 hours. Yo necesito ayuda en 3 horas. Next, we have an example with a verb like this. Yo necesito, I need, plus a verb, plus a time in the future. Here's the example. Yo necesito dormir en la noche. I need to sleep at night. Yo necesito dormir en la noche. If you want to learn Spanish faster, click the video on your screen right now where you can learn useful tips to learn Spanish fast without having to memorize lots of conjugations to get started. Go ahead and click on the video so you can continue learning Spanish.